Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another video, and today, hold on, let me adjust the mic right fast. I probably just got ear rape, my bad. My mic ain't got no windsock on it, so bear with me. My God, what I got for y'all today is, hold on, let me walk off camera for this. Kind of doing all this shit impromptu. But shit, today though, my boy, we gonna be sliding my car today again. But I just want to give a major shout out. To my guys over there at Drift Trades and my boy Ben over there at Drift Trades. He actually sent these out to me, but I appreciate you, bro. I don't know what else to say, but I appreciate you. I appreciate all of the Drift Trades team for believing in me and sending out a nice free set of trades. Shout out to y'all. Don't know if I'm sponsored yet, but we shall see. We shall see. But
I can't ride up in no Charger. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 3.2 at the TL. It's going off.
Big shout out to Drift Trades. Oh my fucking God, bro. What the fuck? But big shout out to my guys over there at Drift Trades. Like I said, once again, they did send these out to me for the free ski 99 for believing in me. I don't know if they're gonna do the same for you. I don't know if I got a code yet, but if I do, it'll be on the screen. God damn it. But yeah, unboxing is real simple. Don't laugh, but
God damn!
I had to test these out before I made an actual video and review video of me unboxing these, because I don't like to fake none of my content. I don't like to, hey guys, I don't like none of that cookie cutter bullshit, bro. I like to keep this shit raw and uncut over here. As you can't tell, my boy, these has been through some shit. But nevertheless, let's not look at that one right there. Now this one, don't mind the roof. Now this one, it's a little bit better, but they come a lot thicker than that. When I say a lot thicker, oh my God. When I say they come a lot thicker, bro, they take an abuse that I've thrown at them, especially this one. But I want to say this one was user error, because yeah, like I said, big shout out to Drift Trades for sending these boys out. I can't thank y'all enough. If I do got a code, like I said, I'm gonna post it on the screen. But shouts out to them. But they go look a little 30% off on your next order. And that's all you gotta do. Slide them babies up under there, pull up a little bit, rip the e-brake, have some fucking fun, bro. But yeah, it's really nothing into the box, just the trays itself in this nice box here. I like this box. Not too much shit in the box, which I like. Just the tray, the box itself, and a code for the next trays, because you're gonna need them. You're gonna have fun, so you're gonna want some more. So they go 30% off. But really, that's all the talking I got before we get into the video. But my honest reviews, my boy, they work and they last long. Them motherfuckers last long. And when I say long, they last longer than wood. They last longer than anything else that I use, like metal. Don't use metal because it'll heat your tires, and don't use nothing. So far, so good. But let me finish these trays off. And I don't know. I just gotta finish these trays off. Hopefully they send out some more. But I'm probably gonna order some more. Probably 2 more sets, because bro, yes, a lot of shit is bullshit. This is not one of them. Sit y'all back up on the cam. Bro, what fucking time is it, bro? Do all the goddamn planes come in at this goddamn time? It's fucking Super Bowl Sunday. Ain't you niggas supposed to be watching the Super Bowl today? God damn. But let me go set this other side up, goddamn it, and let's get to it. Like I said, get them up under both tires. Come up a little bit. You might need a spotter, depending on the pavement you use, asphalt, concrete. But nevertheless, if you a pro, use a pro.
Boy, you caught, boy. And I ain't gonna tell nobody though.
Now, these are pretty much done, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish these off. Big shout out to Drift Trace for sending these boys out. I can't thank y'all enough. I can't express my gratitude enough to y'all for making this piece of shit right here swing like it's real world. Oh my God, rear wheel drive, dog. This shit right there. The bee's knees, chef's kiss. So, finna finish these bad boys on up. Man, this shit is so fucking fun. Lego. Oh yeah, and this is like maybe an hour and a half worth of drifting. So big thumbs up, definitely buy again. If y'all did like that video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. Oh yeah, get over there with my guys over there, Drift Trace. Big thank you, big shout out to y'all over there, Drift Trace, for sending these boys out to me. I can't thank y'all enough, I cannot. But if y'all did like that video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. Let me catch you when I catch.
Bye, have a great time.
And I'm a big dog like a K9. I done find out why they hate now. They thought I ain't had what it take. So I'ma rub this